Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get data from Contact Form 7 in WordPress. First, understand that Contact Form 7, a popular WordPress plugin, primarily sends form submissions directly to your email inbox. While convenient for immediate notifications, it doesn't automatically store entries in your website's database. To achieve database storage and more robust data management, you'll typically need an additional plugin. We'll explore these methods to ensure you can effectively retrieve and utilize your valuable form data. The most straightforward way to get your Contact Form 7 data is through its default email notification system. After a user submits a form, the plugin sends an email containing all submitted fields to a specified address. You can customize these email settings for each form by navigating to the Mail tab within the form editor. Double-check your recipient email address and sender details for smooth delivery. If you're not receiving submissions, always remember to check your spam or junk folder, as emails can sometimes be misclassified. For more organized data management, you'll want to store your Contact Form 7 submissions directly in your WordPress database. This requires installing a dedicated plugin, such as the Contact Form 7 Database add-on. Once activated, this add-on automatically captures and saves every form entry, providing a centralized repository for your data. You can then easily view and manage these submissions through a new menu item in your WordPress administrative dashboard, offering a clear overview of all collected information. Once your form submissions are stored in the database using an add-on, exporting that data becomes incredibly simple. Most database plugins for Contact Form 7 offer a straightforward export feature, typically found within their settings. You can usually choose to export your data in common formats like CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, or even Excel spreadsheets. This allows you to easily download all your collected information and then open it in your preferred spreadsheet software for detailed analysis, reporting, or integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.